Web3 today. We are here with the latest updates on the blockchain world. Ethereum Remix is conducting a brief 1-minute survey to enhance user experience, along with several summer updates. They intend to publish the results in September. The 10th Ethereum Foundation Research Reddit AMA happens today. Engage in profound discussion about Ethereum protocol, cryptography, and economics. Participate in the conversation and have your inquiries addressed. Review highlights from the previous AMA through the link provided in the description below. Uniswap is optimistic about the upcoming EIP 1153 as it will make transactions more gas efficient. EIP 1153 introduces transient storage, allowing smart contracts to use less costly storage options. Uniswap's next version, version 4, will leverage this feature through a single-tone architecture where all V4 pools exist in one contract. This combined with a new flash accounting system will make transactions faster and cheaper. ConsenSys has introduced Linea's zkEVM Mainnet to enhance Ethereum scalability. This development comes after a successful testnet phase involving 5.5 million unique wallets and over 46 million transactions, solidifying Linea as one of the fastest growing projects on Goerli. The alpha release delivers higher throughput and transaction fees up to 15 times lower than Ethereum Layer 1. Additionally, the release supports deeper MetaMask integrations, which aims to offer Linea to users of its popular bridge, swap, and buy features in portfolio. The South Korea government continues to introduce stricter regulations aimed at the cryptocurrency industry, most recently with new asset disclosure rules. The Financial Services Commission of South Korea has proposed a new bill making it necessary for firms involved in issuing and holding cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin to disclose their assets. The trial of Bit's team has created Diffusc, a differential fuzzer that contrasts two smart contracts to identify unanticipated variances in behavior prior to deploying an upgrade. Santiago Palladino outlines the benefits of implementing advanced verification logic that circumvents restriction on gas, contract calls, or storage accesses. He suggests that the complete account abstraction can streamline the application of open methods, enable direct contract invocation, and render the from-to field in transaction unnecessary. However, Palladino also acknowledges challenges specifically concerning private transactions, such as requiring public keys for every account to receive encrypted notes. That is all for today. Stay tuned for more news from Web3 World. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the Ether World YouTube channel. Thank you.